Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Today we are here to unbox Liverpool and Up pants.
Welcome lovelies. A beautiful wintry day. It's still winter, but we are talking about spring and summer, and it just brightens up our life, and I hope it brightens up your life as well.
It feels like spring with all the birdies chirping.
It's amazing.
It's
and
nice.
The sun comes out. Oh.
I know. It's beautiful and there's no snow. Mind you, I love the snow.
I know you do. Yeah.
It's okay. So ladies, we are here. We are excited. Liverpool and Up, we normally just kind of put out into the boutique, but we have some fun pieces from Liverpool. We dived into a lot of their separates as well as their jean jackets and jeans. We have a few pairs of new jeans and some jean jackets, but I would love to talk about your lovely outfit.
Yes.
You look ravishing.
Yeah, so I pulled out the Osayenko, the Northern Lights, and I love this dress. It's got a little sleeve, which is really nice, a nice length.
Nice
it's
fabric.
a knit, and the fabric is amazing. Lots of colors to play with.
Oh,
right?
and the new Bliss.
And the new Bliss.
That looks pretty.
Oh, it's so lovely. I love this cording.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
And yeah, and then all the colors from the Osayenko dress that you can play with, right?
Yeah, the chartreuse.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I got little Charlie on my bum here. He's heating me up.
I know. He's
Hey?
so cozy. He just had his peanut butter snack.
Oh.
So he's licking his little lips.
He's so happy.
Yeah,
He's in heaven. He's
I
in doggy heaven.
Yeah.
Hey, are you so happy?
And what are you wearing?
I have on the Osayenko dress, which I love, and we call it the best staple. It's so great. And then I put over the Maria La Luna sweater in the navy.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, and then a beautiful scarf to match, and then I stole your lipstick.
Yeah, it's pretty.
I know, I
Wow,
like it.
I forgot all about it.
I might have to go get me one.
Oh. from your mommy's collection.
And then I have some Ziska earrings to match pick up all
Beautiful.
the pink, just to freshen it up.
Beautiful.
Yes, but
Okay.
I'm so excited about this line. There's some nice, great basics in there, and we'll have to do a style video to style them up for you. Let's start here with a basic tee.
Yeah.
Striped basic tee.
Lovely.
Beautiful. And ladies, this is a little light French terry. It's a very light
but very
weight.
light. But
Very
it's
light.
The weave of the French terry is in
Yes,
there.
the weave is in there.
And this is navy.
Navy with white, yeah.
Navy
and
with
it's
white.
a bamboo knit, which is
It's
gorgeous.
adorable. I
yeah.
love the little cap sleeves.
I know. Be great with a
adorable.
pair of jeans.
Yeah.
I'll pull out the jeans. So we have restocked. These are what we had last year. You own these, Mom.
Love them.
These are they're called the Marley Girlfriend.
Yeah, I love
And
them.
they, made from recycled plastic bottles.
Yeah. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah. So these ladies sold out very quickly last year. Lousje styled them up and she has them in her wardrobe, but great cuff at the bottom, nice stretch in the pants.
Nice wash.
There's a button and zipper here, nice and higher waisted, which is great.
Yeah.
Cute little bum. They're adorable.
Yeah, they are adorable. So look how cute this is. Right?
Would be
This
together.
Is, summer.
Perfect. Just a nice little.
Yeah.
That's what I'm loving about this collection is just
Casual.
lots of basics that you can add in to your wardrobe. So look at my favorite.
Yeah, that's
Black and
yours.
white.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a really nice one.
It's
too.
so nice.
Yeah.
Fits beautifully too.
Does it?
Nice little
Yeah.
sleeve. Yeah, it fits
Yeah.
awesome. All right, and another adorable little tee, another staple for your wardrobe. I cannot wait to try this on.
How cute is that?
I know, it's got a little ruche sleeve.
Oh my goodness, a little cap over your shoulder, right?
Yeah, just a little cap.
Yeah,
Perfect.
beautiful.
Great again with a pair of jeans. I'm gonna find there's another new style of jeans that we got in from Liverpool.
Oh yes.
So these are wide
Oh, I like those.
stride. These are high stride.
My
They're
God,
called.
I love them.
They are so cool on, nice
Yeah.
and fitted at the top.
Oh, I love them.
And then they come out like just a straight out, so not like a flared.
No, but
And then the
Great.
fringe hemline. But these fit awesome, and they go size 2 or size 4. Maybe we started up into a size 16.
wow,
Beautiful.
beautiful.
Liverpool makes beautiful pants.
Yeah.
We do love them. Oh my God, this is adorable. So a little different for Lousje and Bean, but it's very sweet and
Cute.
feminine.
Yeah,
It's called the
very
little
feminine.
flutter top, I
Oh
believe.
my God, it's darling.
It's darling,
Got
but
all this smocking here.
yeah, but what's more darling is the skirt that goes with it.
Oh,
This set, ladies, is really cool.
Oh yeah.
So,
oh yeah.
yeah, and it's a beautiful fabric. It's like almost like a silky satin.
Yeah.
Great hang to it.
Darling.
Yeah, I can't wait to try
Very
that on.
feminine.
Very
Little
feminine.
ruffles and
Yeah.
lace. Very different for us, but
I know.
I like it.
It's cute, eh?
Yeah.
And then I saw this and I thought it's such a cute little basic. You can wear it definitely as a little dress, but I think with a pair of leggings.
Oh, that's adorable.
And it's just a nice little
That's adorable. It's got
t-shirt
pockets
dress.
too.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
And it's a great sleeve, ladies, for those of you that don't love to show your arms.
Yeah.
It's just a little flutter sleeve and then the V-neck as well. And the fabric's beautiful. I would go up a size though, because they do fit small, I think.
Yeah.
These are extra smalls.
in a different
Look
color.
at how cute.
Same one?
Black. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Gorgeous.
Great, great.
Great basic. And great
Yeah.
price point too with these items.
Yeah. I love we have a lot of V-necks in our spring summer
Yeah, we
collection,
do.
which I like a lot.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think it's beautiful for, like in the Ossian crew too, there's a lot of V-necks.
There are.
And it's beautiful on almost every silhouette.
Yes. So the shirt.
What do we have here? Oh my gosh.
We have it in this beautiful stripe.
Beautiful. The
Cool, eh?
classics button down. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Very
So
nice.
it's got a little high-low there.
Nice with jeans, nice with white linen.
A black little sweater.
Yeah.
And then we've restocked the white, classic, Lousje's favorite.
Yeah, my all-time favorite.
We've also restocked the white jean jacket. Finally, they're back.
It came in.
Yeah, finally. We've been missing this one for a long time. So hopefully I bought enough, but I don't know. Hopefully they don't sell out because I know a lot of you ladies wanted one in your wardrobe. And then there is a new peplum, which did so well last year, the plain, but this is the pinstriped.
It's adorable.
Chambray.
It's adorable.
I know, with the white button.
Oh, that is so adorable.
Cute with the white buttons, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's adorable.
Yeah. Great.
It's so cute.
Great, great.
That'll be so
Super.
cute on. And then this is new for us too, but who doesn't love a basic blazer? This is a Ponte blazer in navy.
Yeah.
Super
very
cool.
nice.
I can't wait to style these up.
Yeah.
Feel the weight of that. It's gorgeous.
That is gorgeous.
Feels good,
Yeah,
eh?
Pockets, functional pockets.
Functional pockets.
Yeah, beautiful.
So that is our new Liverpool that we have in, and we wanted to show you the up at the same time because a lot of them can intermingle, and we love to just dibble dabble in the up collection. We just pick our favorite pieces. It's quite a large collection, but we just pick our favorites for you ladies. So we have the high-low crop pant. So loving these.
Oh, nice.
These got the little step hem.
Yeah, cute.
Remember how cool that was? We had it before.
Yeah,
it's
very
such a
cute.
great look, and
it's,
so nice length.
A little shorter, eh? Above ankle.
Above ankle,
Yeah,
which is great.
beautiful.
And then this is the techno stretchy fabric that Up is known for.
Yeah, and for you lovelies who are new to our site, the Up is famous for their built-in control panel here by the tummy. It's a tummy control and it feels very comfortable and it does work. And the stretch in it is beautiful.
Yeah.
The only advice I have for you is to never put them in a dryer, because you always hang to dry, because the heat of the dryer breaks down the elastic thread.
Yeah,
it's not a good
no,
thing.
for sure.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's a pull-on pant, and
it's a pull-on,
it's
and it's a beautiful.
it's a beautiful fit.
Yeah, it's well engineered.
Yeah.
With the woman's body in mind.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
and made in Canada, which is awesome.
And that's right.
But the step hems are adorable. I love those. And then we did a jacquard here, which I think is really cool. It's a nice black one.
Yeah,
with
I like
the
this too.
little
With the
petal hem.
The slit is sculpted. It's really cute.
Cute, eh?
Yeah, I love
It's a beautiful black,
Yeah.
and that's just going to feel so great on.
Great.
And yeah, again, a little bit shorter, which is nice in the summer.
Yeah.
And I think that's so feminine when you have a little ankle showing.
True.
And then these, you have to see them
Oh, I
on and
like
with a
them.
black or white top. They are so cool.
Oh, I think they're great.
Yeah,
I
they're
really
so
do.
cool.
Yeah.
The border pants.
Yeah.
And they have cute little
they've got
pockets
cute
here
little-
too.
Yeah, really cute.
Really cute. All right, ladies, we have a skirt for you for all the golfers out there, or regular. I mean, it's so cute to wear a little active skirt. So cute with the little white top, would be adorable. We love this gingham in the pink. It's very fresh and summery. Beautiful with pockets as well.
Nice.
There you go. There is the Up collection that we have in for the spring summer and the Liverpool drop. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. Some
Yeah.
different things like this, some different things for the boutique. And I love this. I love all of it.
Yeah.
Really.
Yeah.
Let us know. And,
And
yeah.
watch out for tomorrow because we'll style this all up.
That's right.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, lovelies.
Okay. Thank you, ladies.
Keep on smiling.